Hello class 6. Today we are going to start a new chapter from English grammar and the name of the chapter is adjectives, and this is degrees of adjectives. So follow the class, and after completion of the chapter you will get some questions through the PDF. So you will be solving that PDF also. I have written about first what is called adjective. Adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. So here you can see the boy is tall. Okay. So where is the noun here? The boy. The boy is the noun, and this word tall is the adjective. Why? Because this word is actually telling about the noun boy. Okay. How is the boy? Tall. So this will be the adjective that you know very much. Now in this video we are going to learn about what is called degrees of comparison. Okay, the first we have to learn that what are the degrees of comparison. You see here it is written positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So degrees of comparison means there are three types of degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. A form of an adjective that indicates a different degree of the attribute the adjective denotes. Okay, so I was discussing about the degrees of comparison. So what is the meaning of this? A form of an adjective that indicates means that shows a different degree to of the attribute. Attribute means you can say characteristics the adjective denotes. A form of an adjective. The form of an adjective means it's a form of an adjective that indicates, that shows a different part of the characteristics, the adjective which the adjective shows. Okay. So now this is you can say that these lines are that means definition of the degrees of comparison. Now most adjectives have three different forms. Okay, so what are the three forms here? You see I have already discussed with that three forms, that is positive, comparative and superlative. Now I have written three examples here, three sentences rather I have written. The first one is written, Raju is tall boy. Raju is a tall boy. Okay, so Raju is a tall boy. This tall, you know this one, that this tall word is actually denotes, it shows the quality of the noun, that is the boy. Okay, so obviously it will be the adjective. So here you can say this is the positive adjective. Positive adjective shows, it tells about the noun, only that. Okay, second one you see, Amit is taller than Raju. Amit is taller than Raju. How many nouns are there? You see Amit and Raju. Okay, there is a comparison between these two, Amit and Raju. Is taller. So who is the taller one? Amit is taller. Amit is taller and Raju is shorter than Amit. Okay, than Raju. So here we can say this adjective having the characteristics of the comparison. So you can say this is the adjective of comparison. Okay, that means, or you can say this positive degree and comparative degree. This one is comparative degree. Now the third one, Deepu is the tallest of the three. So Deepu is another boy and he is the tallest among these three. So who are the three? Raju, Amit and Deepu. Among these three boys, Deepu is the tallest. Tallest means who is the that means the tallest boy of these three boys. Okay. Now this one is the superlative degree. So how can you find out that this one is positive and second one is comparative and third one is superlative? Raju is a tall boy. Here the adjective is only here, that is there. So it just describes about the noun. How is the boy? Tall. So it is positive degree. Done. Number 2, Amit is taller than Raju. When you see comparison is held between two nouns, Where are the two nouns? Amit and Raju. Okay. And these words will help you to find out that this sentence, these degrees are comparative degree. How? This taller. Tall, then taller. Tall, then ER plus ER is having the comparative form of the adjective. Okay. Taller. And also this word than. Than means it's referring to, it's having the comparison between two nouns. Okay. And so it is the comparative degree. Now the third one is that Deepu is the tallest of the three. You see, this is tall, positive degree, taller, comparative degree. Okay, that means the comparative form of the adjective. And tallest, the superlative form of the adjective. Okay, tallest. Here you will find in the superlative degree the adjective form of the that is superlative form of the adjective, and obviously this word the. Okay, the means actually if you find this word the, so it should be the superlative degree. Okay, so we use the positive degree of an adjective when we do not make any comparison. That I have told you earlier also. Again I am telling, when we use the positive degree of an adjective, we do not make any comparison. Just like that, Ramesh is a tall boy. Here no comparison is there. Only it's the description that Ramesh is a tall boy. Second one, we use comparative degree of an adjective when we compare two persons or thing. So second one, that is comparative degree. What we do in this stage, we compare with two that means things or persons. Just like that, Atul is taller than Ramesh. So here the comparison between Atul and Ramesh, and here you can see, I told you earlier, again I am telling this, the word with taller and than is actually tell us that this will be the comparative degree. Okay. Number 3, we use the superlative degree of an adjective when we compare more than two persons or thing. Okay, so in superlative degree we compare obviously, but more than two persons, not with two persons. More than two persons, it should be 3, 4, 5 and more on. So on. Okay, so this called that superlative degree. Is the tallest of all. The example of superlative degree, you see, Vijay is the tallest of all. So here we can see that Vijay is the tallest of all. That means it's comparing with two. It's we are comparing with so many. That means students or so many boys. Okay. So that means more than two. So Vijay is the tallest of all. So here you see this word the. And the third form of the adjective, that means what to say, that superlative form of the adjective shows us that this will be superlative degree. Okay.